Hello everyone, hello my people. How you guys doing? Hello my people. This Agape Love TV. This guys is today is your first time come across my video. Please do a favor and subscribe. So my people, I did a vet this time because why? Things the way they happen. I'm not just happy over it. Not they happy over the things where they really happen. There are some certain things wey go happen wey sometimes I don't like to talk about it, but this one pissed me off. This one really wake me up, so I need to really talk about it. A few days ago we saw we make I use our normal language abeg. Few days ago, I think 2 to 3 days, wey we see say they burst Lagos warehouse where all these palliative food were stored for the COVID-19. So me myself was even saying Edo, I'm not sure say Edo get that kind things, say for say that kind thing dey. This period wey be say our governor as in since election, this period of election for Edo State, at least this man for use opportunity bring that kind of food come out. At least that one even because he still dey power. Yes, he still dey because now he still dey rule then. So I was saying maybe that kind of thing no dey for Benin. So guys, which push no mind me, I'm just losing my head. This is time I quickly have to do this video because this is the time I think this is the time I have now. If I say let me finish losing these things, this my hair, if I say make I finish lose it first, it go take you another time. So maybe they talk this matter, make I dey lose the hair, not disturb me. Now mouth I take the talk. So I can't trust say I'm not sure say that kind of thing go play for my old state, Edo State. I say I'm not sure say that kind of thing dey. Say if it dey now opportunity where our governor Baseki suppose release this thing so that people go, e go motivate people to vote for am. My sister, my brothers and sisters, I don't know say na lie. I don't know say na my own way na me just the reason the matter. So when they talk concerning Lagos, about Lagos, why they go do that kind of thing, why they go do this, people wicked, Hey, I wear Benin say you keep fly where they come for you, you keep the one way they come for you. Right? What of the one way they where they the center? I don't know say for my own state that kind of things they play. Not be yesterday, Saturday, yeah. Not be foul breeze, blow foul yansh. Everything is open for ground for my own state. So our governor Obaseki no fit talk say he no know say that kind of thing enter in state. So in a story be that one, he no fit talk say that kind of thing no play. But me I dey hear rumors now, not be even rumors. I dey hear the people where they, oh God, politics. You can never see truth for people wey politician. You no go lie see truth for their mouth. You no go lie see truth for their mouth. Even when they watch Facebook yesterday, I see when this one of our sister Stainless they blast this guy, we don't know what be his name. I dey always they watch all of them. If the one why I know say go talk good, I go see give them hand, I go see comments put but anyone where I not there inside of anybody, but anyone if I come across Facebook, I see everybody they do live video and if the person they talk the truth, I always they comment good. They put, if I see say the person not they talk with it, they enter my ear, I know they comment, I go just pass. That's how they do my thing. I go just pass. So when this girl they doing live video yesterday for Facebook, I comment even now my friend phone, my friend now even invite me say ma come say this girl they talk So I can't dey lis ten to am wetin dey do. I can't dey tell am say anyone wey talk wey just good, because e really wetin e talk yesterday make sense to me. So anyone wey talk, I just dey tell my girlfriend say, my lady friend say, put good, put love, give am flower, give am kiss. Now give am love, you know. And so I can't lis ten. Although I not finish, I know because the boss who suppose enter can't come. So that is after we don't do the protesting yesterday. So we have to take the next bus to go. So I will not come. I not come fit follow and watch the program. Our program finish. Now only I hear she can't only put earpiece. Only she can't watch am. So my own greatest surprise, okay, somebody come out, the same person where this girl, this our sister they talk to, the same person come out, come they talk say na not be food. Say the warehouse where beneath people go bust. Say not be food dey inside. Say na medicine. All this Panadol, whatever, matter. For waiting, we just use our eyes see for the video. Even the video, my people, those of us we never see am, I go post the video. Where people they carry the small bag of rice, small bag of rice, exactly normal rice where they give out, those small one they even write and put. Now you self shame not really still catch you because people don't they blast you, they tell you say guy you know fit talk say you know say this kind of thing enter Benin those states. Because of that one you want come cover am up for waiting hair carry. Okay, what did they that rice now what did they those small bag? What of the Indomie? Na Panadol na medicine still dey those Indomie carton. I know some people sha if na they lie na no dey even dey know say this period where would they so no be holding days or wey camera no dey carry anything wey happen now who get phone go bring am come out go begin the video. Wetin we just see me see you we just dey see am you just come out for live video because say that this our sister don use mouth finish you yesterday so you wan come defend who you wan defend who na the fool na think say na the fool you are fooling who. But these people wicked though na wicked. This thing no be say na money na take buy am. Na no use una money na no deep hand for una pocket bring the money come and take buy am because of the coronavirus wey enter country. Now those things we are giving to people just for them to stay because you people ask them to stay their house to avoid the spreading of the virus. But the food that was given to them, you guys kept it to yourself and you still have the man to come out and start saying rubbish. They start saying that there was the only thing I know that the other warehouse, I don't know how many warehouse they broke into, but to according to the other video where I see say some people come they cry say medical store warehouse it's not only for one person that some people come they talk say they even keep goods inside no so they pack their goods and other things fine but not be say you go come they talk say the warehouse where they broke say there not be food there inside. You not fit fool us because we see am. But for me, for that kind of thing wey happen, I no dey happy with our governor. I no dey happy for Edo State governor for that thing wey happen. So you allow people to make you allow people make they come vote for you empty belle. That kind of food dey. The food dey where they give them because they give those food because of this coronavirus. So na no share at that period. Now you want me they still come vote for you. You don't see bring the food come out. Even my own people, my own mom even tell me they ask for accounts. They ask for accounts, but until today they not put anything for accounts. But when will all this nonsense stop? When will all these things stop? Why are you guys so wicked? Why you guys don't have human sympathy? Why are you guys like that? It is not fair now. It is not fair. Tama when I say, mana, that kind of no be say una money, no be say una now use. Why? Oh my God. Wanna for my whole state. Okay, you want to defend Benin now, you want to defend the governor now. Say that kind of thing. No, okay, you want to say now only been those state, not that kind of thing, that food no enter. See Calabar, see Plateau, Jos. See different French states. Okay, you want to tell me say out of the whole state, the food fit enter. The other states say only Benin come free. Say that food that food no enter Benin. So now that those states now that one you want try talk. The person I don't know what it be your names. What it be your name self? What it be that guy name where they talk? Ambrose Abi I don't know. Now Ambrose I don't know. Stainless finish yesterday. Who watched Stainless? That same guy now they talk because he come out on the yarn. He come out on the yarn concerning talk say for you to your talk say when that thing enter say you no know. No be say you come the talk say that kind of thing no dey. You want come the talk say government keep that thing for reserve. That kind of food they not keep am for reserve. If government want keep food for reserve, he go buy the one way go buy keep for reserve. Where go they give charity home or whatever. But that food was marked. It was marked for a purpose, for this reason, for this season. Now they bring out that food. This season, now they bring out this corona period. Now may they bring that food out. May they share am for those people. Now I continue to lose my eye because time don't go. So that food, you want to say no, let those stay that kind of food. No, in fact, I'm so disappointed. I'm so disappointed. So food wey come with free to share for people. Now not share am. Then I'll come bring una money come and say may na take buy food take share. Now ask for people accounts. Now all these things we dey fight against so. Now we want may it stop so because only now just dey know. People wey go put una for post finish post na for the position wey una dey. Now go like men na go dey use hungry. Once na don enter where na don enter, we don finish. Na no go remember. People go use hungry belle come dey vote for una. Na so na go do wari wa na at the end wa igbe sama wetu wa agbayo. Emma, people, what you guys are doing is not good. You guys should change. A politician in Edo State, in Nigeria, all the old Nigeria politicians, people should stop. It's not good. What you guys are doing is not normal. It's not good. It's not nice. Free something, come in and give am out. Now, not if you use una money buy and give people. They still bring and come because of this, because not be that money not be na pocket it for come out. Now keep am. Why keeping it? What is the reason of keeping it? Waiting and not use for waiting and not share for the make time for the period where they need them. Again, no one ya gbo ma mari eva no ma ye ko ga ivomani wa ina do eva no ma. Because of that, because of even many people lost their life too. It's not nice. All these things one they do, it's not nice. You guys should stop. Let's be a better Nigeria. You guys should change Nigeria. Let Nigeria have a better name. Though that anywhere they mention that Nigeria, people will be will certify about that name. People go they okay with that name. Don't change. Talking to our leaders. You leaders should change. Politicians, you guys should change. Change. Because what shall it profit a man? You gain the whole world and lose your own soul. Emma, it's not good. This is not nice. You catch no one will defend. Edo State is not out of it. Because you guys you cannot tell me that the palliative rice was given those foods was given to other states that it didn't come to Benin. They did come to Benin City. It's a lie. It was all states. Their people are detecting it now. Look at Calabar. Look at plenty just. Look at the old states. Even party courts. Okay, now one court of say now let those state na the food enter say e no reach Benin. Wetin you wan try talk? Herbert, yes, Mr. Herbert, his name is Herbert. I don't like talking to any because I'm just a young YouTuber, but I'm a young YouTuber. I've been following you guys for long. I dey follow all of una. I dey listen to all of una. But I no dey talk, I no dey make any wrong comment or talk anything for any comment for anybody. Be who you be. If I just still like am, just still give life, just still make comment. If I not like am, I go just scroll and pass. That's how I dey do my things. But this one draw my attention. We just dey fight of answers. Another thing dey happen. Abeg make una change o. Who get today no get tomorrow. Who get today no get tomorrow. You know, make una change from all this attitude, from all this wickedness. Cause na wickedness na be this. Wickedness. Wetin una no use una money buy. They bring am for people. Una carry am begin keep am for one place. Na let people dey hungry. Even in my own state, Edo State, na for my hands. I dey even dey talk that day when I see Lagos State, say, hey, this kind of thing just happen for Edo State. Oh, me our Edo State people made the choice. I no even know say our own dey there too. I was even thinking it's only a Lagos State that kind of thing happen. So I didn't know that it's all over Nigeria. Now they share that kind of food, but una keep am. But una mind, e no good sha what una do. Now not fit talk say this is the reason why una keep am. No, na no need to keep am for there any reason, because that rice bring na that food na to share for people. Na say make people stay house. Na say make people stay, and I suppose give them food where they eat. We wey dey Europe, yeah, we no your stay house. People wey not get paper, that they come they give them ticket, that they give them ask. Make una who say na lie, make it quote me wrong. If you say you not get paper, say you not your government, as far as say you dey government hands, you dey government hands. Government don't leave you for hungry. Then they come who they not give money, that they give tickets. Place dey too where they go they share food. You own to come out, carry the card, show up any security where you jump for road, say now food I want go carry. You show them the card, they go let you pass, go collect am. Even though say you not get paper. They not keep us for hungry one day. Every 2 weeks that they come they give us tickets to go supermarket, go they buy food. Not to talk of our own state. But I don't know, una wicked. Una wicked. People wey get paper, wey get children, they are join their money for this period of COVID, coronavirus, this COVID-19. So I dey tell you wetin they play. We not suffer, we not hungry for this country. We come on for house. Even though we not get money, place there where they give us cards. They say now you no want go, and they don't go force you. If you talk say you dey hungry, they go give you card. You go meet any social, they go give you card. Or you go that place where they for the hungry, they go tell them say you give them your address. Go the one where they your address where near you. They go they give you food every week. You go they collect food. Those where they with social go they come they give tickets. Sometimes every week tickets €100, 150, 200, and so that they come they give them. Not to talk of our own state. I'm so disappointed when I see that video. So when I not just spend and say that rice is kept for a reason. If they talk say now anytime when government want do something, now you go government not supposed to get where as well go they keep something. That rice not be rice to keep, because that rice was marked for this period, for this COVID, corona period. So there was the right is COVID-19. So that rice is for now. It's not for anything after. Not be anything where they go eat after. That Indomie, you guys form my hands. It's not nice. I know they like to throw mats before they give una, but you guys draw my attention. So I need to talk. You guys draw my attention. It is not nice. Even all these ones now, even when I bust and not bust, my family not go there, go carry. But at least let me speak for other people. What una do not good. Even the rice, even the rice self. So people, even I even see the video where person die, put because of food. But una suppose carry go ishi zoom go dey share. Ave mune na ve zoom ni ave share ne ave baba ni vere ne nudu in ave gbezien. Why have you here? You guys should change. This is not nice. So my people, now this kind of one, I better not share this video, make it go anywhere we want go, because these people, this period, NSAS period, I not get joy with anybody. All these with the, I not get joy with all these bad leaders. I not get joy with them at all. So anywhere now, when I share this video, may go anywhere you want go. I not get joy with them. So my people, now this one I say my conscious talk put. Because waiting that they do, it not dey nice. It not dey nice. They not go bring money come out from their pocket. The one way they go see contribute for country, they go see pocket and keep for themselves. You guys should change, oh. You guys should change. You guys should change. So God bless you guys.
We're in Calabar. Come and carry your food.
COVID-19.
Come and carry your food.
Oh my God.
Come and carry your. We have been there already.
COVID-19 palliative warehouse in Calabar discovered. People are packing. Look at what was kept for the poor masses. See, COVID-19 for palliative for poor people.
Have you seen?
Look at people carrying food.
There are so many food in the shop there. So it's enough for everybody. Go.
COVID-19 palliative. Calabar don bus. Calabar don bus. COVID-19 palliative. Look at this. In cartons meant for the poor people. Locked down by the government. People are packing. There's so much food. People are packing. People are packing food. COVID-19 palliative, where it was locked in a warehouse. People are packing. People are packing food. Look at people packing food.
We are suffering from because we are starving with hungry, we are starving ourselves, and no food in home, in powerhouse.
People are packing. See palliatives. So much to take.
COVID-19 food. So much. They carried our food and hide it.
Look at this. Wickedness. Wickedness. COVID-19 palliative for Cross River State. The warehouse has been discovered. Look at this. Look at this. So much. Look at this. COVID-19 palliative. Look at this. COVID-19 palliatives. Look at this. People are packing.
Come on, man. I swear. Plateau State government, though. When I can't see them, though.
Yes, so we are still live happening right now at Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria. The unknown warehouse where the palliative was supposed to be shared were being stored by Edo State government. I wonder why this is happening right here in Benin City. As you can see, this is the palliative supposed to be shared for every citizen of Edo State. Now watch out, what is happening right here? Watch out, watch out. Watch out for it. It is happening. See bags of rice. see bags of rice. Weneske, where did you get this one from? Weneske, where did you get it from?
This is my birthright alone, so it's okay, Weneske.
Okay. Okay. Please, watch out. Watch out, people are carrying, they are collecting, it's happening. It's happening live. It's happening live at Medical Store of Benin City and Delta, Nigeria. Watch out for it. Watch out. Watch out for it. Watch out for it. Share this video. Are you seeing it? That is the unknown warehouse where our palace people those days were being shared. You can imagine what wickedness is this? If you are not here, you have to be here to get your palliative. It's happening right in Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria, at Medical Store. Let me see if I can go into the warehouse. I doubt. Will you not watch your video? No, that what is wrong with you? Watch out. I'm so scared of going inside right now. I'm so scared. I'm so scared of going inside. I'm so scared. I can't even go inside. I'm so scared. I want to go inside to show my people. Those persons watching from diaspora. So you come and see the wickedness of the government. What they are doing to us, that is unfair. Let me see if I can go inside.
Follow that sadist! Hey, come on down.
Yeah, let's see if we can go inside. Please share this video. Share this video before my phone goes off. Please share it. Watch out. Watch out. This is the unknown warehouse. We are here. Here we are. Yes, see, it's happening here. That's the warehouse. Let's see if we can go inside. It's happening live. It's happening live. Oh my God.
Why are you giving? What up?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Come on.
Jesus.
Oh my God. Somebody just died here.
Pass. Man, not fight.